so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end.
Okay, so we have a synthetical today. Yes, slaying the synthetical, calling all wig slayers, slaying the synthetical. Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all, your girl is feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you? Y'all, today's video is sponsored by me, okay? The one and only Shanise Nicole. Okay, so I'm your sponsor today. Go ahead and give it a round of applause for me because you know I shout out these companies. Let me shout out myself too, okay? So let's get down to the nitty gritty of today's wiggy. I'm trying to think of some new songs, but I feel like if it ain't broke, don't fix it, all right? So the wig that I'm wearing today is from Jenna Collection. I am wearing their Natural Me Blowout Wig, 100% premium fiber hair, HD lace, you know it's not. It comes with a deep part lace, ear-to-ear swift, no, I get this wrong every time. Ear-to-ear soft Swiss lace, special knotting on back nape. Heat resistant, safe up to 360 degrees. I have this wig in the style Audrina in the color number 1. All right, Mrs. Audrina is, you know what I'm saying? I am giving what it was supposed to give. All right, like y'all, this wig is popping. All right, it is popping, but as y'all know, she popping. Y'all, this wig is shebanging. Y'all already know how I do. Y'all already know how I get down. I'm gonna drop those cons on you, and then we're gonna jump right into the pros, and then we're gonna wrap this video on up. I only have 2 cons when it comes to this wig. The first con is the parting space. And the only reason why I say, you know, it's a con, because it is quite a few clusters up in there, and it doesn't make the part look straight. So you will have to go in and pluckety pluck the parting space, or you can just say bump it like me and just put some press powder on it. Cause y'all, I ain't plucked nothing. I did not pluck a thing. The parting space, it could be a little bit better in my opinion, but it's still, you know, giving. I'm still serving, you know, minimum scalp on a platter. The next con I would have to say about this wig is it does come with filler hair. It's a lot of filler hair like right up in here. And as y'all saw in the styling portion of the video, I did use my hot comb to, you know, try to get it to lay it down a little bit because it's really poofy like once you put it on. Even though I only have 2 cons, there is something that I want to make you aware of. It's not an issue for everybody because everybody's head size ain't the same as mine. My head size is 22 inches, so this wig is very small. Is it very small? I did go ahead and put some bedhead spray in the parting space, like right up in this area, so to prevent it from sliding back. I do not have on my wig grip because I felt like that just would have gave me a headache. But this wig is very small. The ear tabs are matching up with both ears perfectly, but it's a little too tight. All right, so like I stated, I only got 2 cons, plus, 1 technical difficulty. So let's jump right into the pros. The first pro I have to say about this wig is the hair and the density while we on it. I don't feel like it's not too much hair, to be a texture unit. The hair feels really soft, and it does feel like a blowout texture. But y'all, it's not a whole lot to say about this wig. It's a bob. I do feel like this wig is beginner friendly. It is very budget friendly. And would I purchase this wig again? Hell yeah, because I like it that much. I like it like that, ayy, cause I'ma slay it like that, ayy. Yes. Catch me serving scalp, how about that? But y'all, I'm really loving this wig. As you can see, on my channel, we call a spade a spade. And if I love a wig, I'm going to just let it speak for itself. Y'all see all this moving, like, and grooving. Come on. Tell me if you want me to give you all my time. Yo, I got a sore throat, so I really can't be singing for y'all, but it's not a Shanise Nicole video if I don't sing, especially when I love a wig. I be doing my thing. These wigs will probably be compared to Neesha, and I feel like they in 2 different lanes because this hair is light in density. It's not too hot. And for those who don't know, I do live in Hawaii, so I'm gonna wear this wig summertime and all because y'all, this wig is so nice. It just feels so airy. Like I took my pictures and I was just feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling come on, Shanise. I didn't experience a whole lot of shedding. I did receive a few snags, but it's mainly up here in the top where those filler hairs at. But when you run your hands through the wig, you ain't getting nothing. Oh, and I got 1 strand of hair in my hand. That's it. So I really have no complaints when it comes to the actual hair texture itself. Janet Collection did that with this wig. Okay, the next pro I would have to say is the lace. The lace does come kind of brown. It blended down into my skin tone very, very well. Y'all saw in the put down, I did apply my makeup around my hairline. If you like the natural blowout texture, get this wig. It will not disappoint you. I'm not disappointed at all. I don't regret this purchase. And like I said, I would buy it again. And that's a big deal with me. That is a big deal because 1, I don't be buying all these wigs. That's 1. And 2, I'm cheap. Okay? And 3, I'm cheap. Some wigs, I just feel like, I don't want to have it. But when I seen this wig, I was like, I got to have it. The layers and the curls are everything. If you're not following me on Instagram at Shanise Nicole _ what are you doing? Okay, go ahead. Go on over there and follow me. Hit that big blue button and follow your girl. The link to my page will be listed down below in the description box. If you liked today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Do we heal? Do we bleed? I'ma follow yo.